Very good afternoon to all of you, my street friends. Today in this video we are going to know about the temperate zones, and temperate zones which comes under the topic called atmospheric temperature, and atmospheric temperature is also the part of the subject called geography. Okay, today we are going to know in this video about the geography subject, and in geography subject, in atmospheric temperature topic, there are so many subtypes. In that subtype, this is also one among them, which are very important subtypes. This topic called the temperate zones. I am going to elaborate the whole temperate zones topic in this single video. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel called B Vinay Hiremath if you haven't did subscribe to it yet. Okay, that will be beneficial for you to receive my further updates ahead. Okay, now without spending more time on the introduction of this topic or this video channel, let's begin. Okay, let me tell you about the whole climax of this video of the topic. The climate or the temperate zones are further divided in three types. Okay, which are those? First one, toroid zone. Okay, toroid zone, and second phase is the temperate zone, and third phase is the frigid zone. Okay, and what are these temperate zones and all we will understand later, but what is this circle, what is the diagram of it, we are going to know at the very first. The diagram which commemorates you the earth. Okay, the earth, I think you are observing as the diagram the earth. Okay, this is the earth. Unfortunately I did not draw the sun here because of the scarcity of lack of the space here, so that's why the board is very little, so that's why I haven't drawn, but I will explain you means thoroughly with the hand diagram. Okay, this is the sun. Okay, this is the sun and this is the equator. What will happen? The sun rays when attack or tackle on the earth, those will tackle at the very first the zone called the toroid zone. So that's why this is very heat. So that's why we named it as the toroid zone. That is also known as the equator. Okay, this is the 0 degree Celsius, means here mild winter will be there and long summer days will be there, and this will receive the hot sun rays. That's we call the toroid zone. Okay, this is the hotter than all those. If you compare to these remaining two zones, this is very hot. This is the hottest zone of all. Okay, so this is like that. And if you go further above or below to the equator or the toroid zone, you will find the another one zone will appear called temperate zone. Temperate zone which lies on 23 degree Celsius. That is also called as the Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Below the toroid zone, we will find here the Tropic of Capricorn or temperate zone. Okay, here above we will find Tropic of Cancer. Okay, above the equator we will find Tropic of Cancer. Here the long summers will be there here also, and mild or this is little something balancing. Okay, because this is the frigid zone and this is the hot zone, this will receive 50 and 50, but more and more this will receive more than the frigid, this will receive the hottest summers. Okay, this will face here, we will face. So that's why this is the 60 or sorry, this is also the 23.5 degree Celsius, means this will receive this much less. Okay, this much less the sun rays, because here you will find the vertical sun rays little or slight curved rays you will find here. So that's why you will find rare, or as we compare to temperate zone or a toroid zone, this is little less than this. Okay, this is little less in absorbing the heat or rays of the sun. And okay, this is a little balancing. Okay, balancing temperate zone, and this is the frigid zone. Okay, this is the frigid zone at the above of the means third phase of the toroid zone or the equator called as frigid zone, that which lies on the 66.5 degree Celsius, and this is also called as Arctic Circle. Okay, Arctic Circle. Okay, Arctic Circle, this is also known as. And here you will find the means rare mild sun rays and severe winters. Okay, severe winters means intense winter will be there, and seldom sun rays will reach to the frigid zone because of the means the lack of or the due to the far away of the sun. Okay, that's why here the curved rays will be there, and this will receive only seldom sun rays. So that is why this is more than the hottest zone. This is the frigid zone. Okay, called as the frigid zone. So now I think you got clarified. And the means downward, this is also like that only. Okay, here also the temperate zone are there. This is the frigid zone. The same like the above and below. Okay, the same. And but at the point of the above of the earth called as north pole. Okay, north pole, that is called the 90 degree Celsius. Okay, here also the 90 degree Celsius. South pole we reached here now. Okay, I think you got clarified about it. Means here we have studied only about the temperate zones. In temperate zones means quickly we will react. Quickly we will revise. Okay, revise what we have said, what we have studied in this video at the very first from earlier to end. Okay, I will summarize in very 2 sentences. Okay, in 2 minutes I will summarize. We have studied this comes with temperate zones which lies or which comes in the topic called temperature, atmospheric temperature, and atmospheric temperature is the part of the subject called geography. And in temperate zones there are so many temperate zones. Those temperate zones are bifurcated in 3 types. There are frigid zones, temperate zones, and terrate zones. And a terrate zone is also called as the terrate zone is the middle part of the earth, that is called as equator in other hand, and that is the 0 degree Celsius which receives the sunrise. Receives the sunrise 100%. Okay, means straight line. Okay, this will receive more than, this is the hottest zone. Okay, as we compare to other zones. And if we go below or above 20 degree and half of the degree Celsius, 23.5 degree Celsius, we will find there temperate zone which is the balancing. Okay, winter and summer, but more summer and less winter. Here only frigid, less seldom sunrise which receives, that we call it 66.5 degree Celsius, which we go above of the sun or go above the earth. There we will find frigid zone which receives the seldom sunrise, that we call the frigid zone, because that is which will face the mild sunrise, mild summer days and long winter days. Okay, like that we have finished everything. And if we reach at the last pole or above last poles, they will find above last poles, north poles 90 degree Celsius, downwards 90 degree south poles. Okay, thank you so much. I think you got clarified about it. This is little hurry because the video should not be lengthy, otherwise it will not be uploaded anywhere in social media. Thank you so much.